If you're picking between Rocket Money and NerdWallet for managing your finances, both apps offer solid tools, but your choice depends on whether you want hands-on budgeting or broad financial insights. Its free plan lets you link accounts, create budgets, and monitor subscriptions, while the premium plan, 6-12-month adds custom categories, bill negotiation, and subscription cancellation services. With 4.75 app ratings, it's praised for catching unwanted charges, but limited free features and spotty customer support are drawbacks. NerdWallet, free with no premium tier, excels in financial education and tracking. It syncs accounts to monitor net worth, cash flow, and credit scores, offering insights through articles and tools like debt payoff calculators. Rated 4.0 Endo C5, it's great for beginners seeking guidance, but it lacks custom budgeting and detailed transaction controls. Rocket Money suits active budgeters who want automation and bill savings. NerdWallet is better for those exploring financial options without deep budgeting needs. For budget control, go Rocket Money. For free, broad financial clarity, choose NerdWallet. What's your focus, budgeting or learning?